All right, what happens when you pit an AI against one of the most, let's say, debated products in tech? That's what we're going to find out. We're talking, of course, about artificial intelligence versus that infamous Apple polishing cloth. So, this whole explainer kicks off with just one number, 19. But wow, did those two digits set the internet on fire when they first dropped? We're talking thousands of articles, endless memes, so many arguments, all over $19. And you know, that 19 bucks, it wasn't for some cool new gadget or a must-have adapter. Nope, it was for this, a simple polishing cloth from Apple. And just like that, poof, it wasn't just a cloth anymore, was it? It became this thing, a symbol, a total meme. People were calling it the $19 experience. I mean, it became the ultimate test of how much you love a brand and what we even think luxury means. But is there really something more going on here than just a crazy price tag? Okay, so that's the big question we had to answer. We thought, let's try a little experiment. Let's take all the human stuff out of it. You know, the hype, the brand loyalty, all of that, and just give the cold, hard facts to a totally unbiased observer, an AI. Let's see if it can figure out how this thing is worth 19 bucks. So here's the fun part. How in the world do you even get an AI to review a cleaning cloth? It can't touch it, right? It can't feel how soft it is. Well, the key is to focus on the one thing an AI understands better than anything: words, the language. And that's what led us to this quirky little setup. The process was actually super simple, just 4 steps. Step 1, we went straight to Apple's website and copied the official specs. 2, we pasted that data right into Google's AI. 3, we just asked it, hey, what do you make of this? And 4, we just looked at what the AI decided was important. Okay, and this is where it gets really interesting. Honestly, we were expecting the AI to get hung up on the price, right? Maybe it would compare it to other microfiber cloths or something. But nope, it went in a completely different direction. Get this, the AI pretty much ignored the whole $19 thing. It didn't care about the cost. Instead, it zeroed in on the words used to describe what the cloth is made of. It's a tiny detail that most of us would probably just skim past, but for the AI, that was everything. That was the most important piece of the puzzle. And this, right here, this was the magic word: nano-texture. The official description says the cloth is made for nano-texture glass. Now, to you and me, that sounds a lot like fancy marketing talk, but think about it from the AI's perspective. It's been trained on basically the entire internet. To it, nano-texture isn't just jargon. It's a very specific, very technical term that it links to high-end, advanced stuff. So right away, the AI thinks, oh, this cloth is something special. But wait, it gets even better. That wasn't the only thing that made the AI's virtual ears perk up. It also flagged another detail that, for a piece of fabric, is just kind of ridiculous. I'm talking about an official compatibility list. Yeah, you heard me right. A list of devices that this cloth is compatible with. It's wild, right? To us, that's just funny. But to the AI, seeing an official list like this means one thing. This thing has been tested. It's been engineered. It's another data point that says, hey, this isn't just a rag. This is a real certified piece of the whole Apple ecosystem. So where does that leave us? What's the final verdict from our AI investigator? Well, this whole thing really pulls back the curtain on the huge difference between what something is and what it's sold as. It's like there are 2 different realities, right? In one reality, the physical one, it's a piece of soft, non-abrasive cloth. Simple. But in the branded reality, the one the AI saw, it's a highly specialized nano-texture tool that has an entire official list of Apple devices it's certified to work with. So you might think the AI would be confused by all this, but it wasn't. Not at all. It was actually impressed. Because it wasn't really analyzing a cloth, was it? It was analyzing a brilliant piece of marketing. It saw the fancy technical terms, it saw the compatibility list, and it put 2 and 2 together and said, okay, this has to be a premium, high-tech product. And that just leaves us with this one last, kind of wild thought. What does it really say about a brand when its marketing is so good it can impress even an artificial intelligence? We look to AI to be this cold, logical, unbiased thing. But this shows that even a machine can be swayed, not by the thing itself, but by the story you tell about it. It just goes to show you how powerful language is, not just for us, but for the very machines we're creating.